Sheikh Chilli, admiring my lamp again? It won't make your chai taste any better.
But perhaps it will prettify my table, Jamil. If only I could afford it.
Boy, are you chilly. The sheikh whose dreams float higher than kites.
Madam, indeed. Sheikh Chilli, philosopher, entrepreneur, traveler of carpets.
Good. Take this parcel. Guard it well. Inside is a gift more precious than gold, for the pure of heart, that is.
Gift? Wait, is it edible?
Only the wise know its flavor. Guard it.
You attract the strangest people. Open it.
A pebble? Eh? Wait, there's writing. Speak and reveal your need.
Try it.
O magical pebble, grant me a feast fit for a sultan.
With a pop, their baskets overflow with steaming biryani, kebabs, mangoes. Market folk cheer. Sheikh, you jammy goat, we're rich.
Imagine if I asked for a palace. Suddenly, he's in fine robes, seated in a silk tent with ministers bowing.
O wise sheikh, your counsel is sought.
The royal chicken has escaped. Catastrophe. Sheikh, do something. Summon the pebble.
Disaster! I dropped it in the market.
If the chicken isn't found, the kingdom will starve.
Quick, think. Jamil, what would a wise man do?
Ask a wise woman.
Lose things easily, do you? The pebble brings blessings, but only when you help others.
Help, like a chicken rescue?
Exactly.
All hands, scatter sesame in the courtyard. Chickens never resist sesame.
Moments later, a royal chicken appears, pecking delightedly at the seeds. Everyone cheers.
He's a genius.
Sometimes the greatest magic lies inside. A generous heart, a clever mind, and a little luck.
And a bit of sesame.
And perhaps a nice meal.
Everyone laughs as the market, the feast, and the magic pebble all return. Sheikh Chilli's adventures far from over.